All right. Okay. I can't see any online students at this time, but let's start the things now. Eh? No, no, but they said that they're going to check. Okay, anyway, just leave it now. So we move on towards the last topic that we were discussing. Yeah, we were doing some. Yes, yeah, we've done that binary to denary, right? Denary to binary. We've done the measurements as well. Okay, don't say anything until I say so. Okay, if I say, then only you need to answer the question. There was one more thing that I was discussing related with the elevators, right? I'll just share the white screen with you and then I'll explain again. All right. Last time we discussed about the digits, the digital digits, right? Now this is the standard. This is the standard digit, which is which can be seen online, which can be seen on any digital devices as well. Now this 8, digit 8 has 7 different components and each component is basically assigned with a specific number. Let's say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7, right? So if I need to display digit 7, I don't need to turn on all these 7 sections. Rather, I would prefer this one only, this one, and this one. So this one is represented by 1, this section is represented by 2, and this one is represented by 3, right? So we know that how many bits are there in 1 byte? How many bits are there in 1 byte? Do you have any idea, or this is the first time you have attended the class? First time. Acha, I would ask you to kindly go through the previous recorded lessons on the LMS, go through it so that you should know what have we done so far, just to be on the same tag. And you can ask her as well, you've been there now and from day one, so you should explain her about the thing that we have done so far. Okay, so coming back to the topic now, it's 7. So 7 is 1, 2, 3. So in byte form, I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right? So in order to display 7 on any digital device, as you can see here, see this one, see your AC inner. The splitter you see on the display screen, it's 16, 1, 6, right? 1, 6. So can you see the difference between, see this is not 1 actually. The 1 is divided into 2 sections, half part, right? 1 and 0. So we represent this, if we want to represent 1, so we'll divide it into 2 sections, 1 and 2, right? In the same way, 6, see the value 6 has been divided into how many sections? If this is not, see the other one, check the other one. Okay, but yeah, so just get the idea, they are actually divided into different sections. Okay, in the same way here, as you can see on the screen, if I want to display 7, I just need to turn on bit 1, 2, and 3. Oh, right? So I will write down here 1 on, 2 on, 3 on, right? The rest of them will be 0. Right? So this is how a computer will able to understand how to display a digit 7 on any digital device. Am I clear? समझ में आ गई बात? सबको आ गई भाई? Okay. In the same way, you name any digit. You name any digit, yes. बेटा कोई डिजिट बता दें आप, कोई डिजिट बता दें. वो तो मैंने बता दिया ना, इसके अलावा बता दें. है 4 चलें. Let's say 4. Okay. In order to display 4, this is the subdivisions. This is the one that you need to design. Right now, starting here, this section is actually considered as 2, right? This section is considered as 3. This is section is 4 and 7, right? So in order to display 4, I need to turn on the 7-bit, 4th bit, 2nd bit, so in order to display digit 4, apart from 7, 4, 3, 2, the rest of the bits will become 0, right? Like this. So this is the byte, or this is the code which needs to be generated in order to make sure a letter, or sorry, digit 4 should be displayed on the any digital device. This is the format. This is the code that you need to know. Got it? Now, in the same way, I asked you in my last class. अभी नाम नहीं लिया मैंने. उनसे कहो कि लाइव आ जाएं, क्लास लाइव हो रही है. अगर चेक करना है, मिस अंदलीप को कहते हैं आप, लाइव चेक कर लें. ठीक है? ओके. In my last class, we have discussed about the elevators. Elevator पता है ना बेटा आपको क्या होता है? Okay. Yeah. What is an elevator? Lift. Okay. So if I need to, let's say if I want to go to let's say floor number 7, right? Out of 12 floors, I just need to move on to floor number 7. How a computer is able to understand this 7 thing, or this 7 digit which is going to be placed or pressed by you? You guys are going to press it, na? You will be pressing the buttons out of the given list, right? So as soon as you press button, how a system is able to understand that this elevator machine needs to be stopped at the floor 7? How? This, yeah, register. We need to have a register. We need to use registers for this. So registers are basically a kind of a storage device, temporary storage device, which are used for calculations as well, right? Now, like I said, okay, if I want to jump towards floor 7 out of 12 floors, right? How many registers do I need? How many registers do I need? Huh? I have already explained this topic earlier in the online classes, if you remember. याद आ रहा है? कुछ मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था. अगर भाई 12 फ्लोर्स हैं और मुझे 12 फ्लोर्स हैं टोटल, ओवरऑल 12 फ्लोर्स हैं, 1 to 12, राइट? तो मुझे रजिस्टर्स कितने साइज का चाहिए होगा? अच्छा, अब ये देखें, ये मैं क्लियर कर रहा हूं. 1, 2, 4, इसको अगर आप करें, ये 3-bit रजिस्टर है. दिस इज अ 3-bit रजिस्टर. अगर इसको आप ओवरऑल टोटल करें, कितना, क्या वैल्यू आएगी? है क्या बोला, दोबारा बोलना सर। जी कितना वैल्यू आएगी बेटा इसको ऐड अप करेंगे तो? जी हाँ 7। तो टोटल कितने फ्लोर्स हैं? मैं कह रहा टोटल कितने फ्लोर्स हैं? ये भाई हैकर है हमारे, इनसे बहस नहीं करना। अच्छा सो टोटल फ्लोर्स जो है हमारे पास 12 है बेटा, ठीक है। सो फॉर 12 अगेन दिस नंबर इज लेस because if you add up all these values 4 5 6 7 still they are less than 12, so I need at least 12 or greater than 12, right? So now after 4 which value comes beta? 8. Yes, very good. Very good. Now if you calculate, if you add up all these numbers, you will get what? 15, 1 5 15, which is above 12. So that this is fine. So in this case, I need only 4-bit register. I need only 4-bit register in order to, do some calculations for the elevators, right? अब आपको भाई लेट सपोज मुझे आपने कहा कि हमें फ्लोर 7 पे जाना है, जंप करना है, ठीक है। अब 7 अगर हमने जाना है तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको ऐड अप कर लेंगे 7 के लिए, 4 5 6 7। तो मैंने इसको ऑन कर दूंगा, इसको ऑन कर दिया मैंने, इसको ऑन कर दिया और इसको ऑन कर दिया, ठीक है। और ये हो गया आपका 0। तो 0 1 1 आंसर है, 0 1 1 आंसर हो गया आपका, ठीक हो गया, सही है। अच्छा आप बताएं, जो है 3rd फ्लोर पे जाना है मुझे, तो क्या लिखूंगा रजिस्टर में, किस तरह पुट करूंगा? 1 और 2, बिल्कुल सही है, वेरी गुड। अगर 3rd फ्लोर पे जाना है तो कंप्यूटर इसको ऑन कर देगा, जैसे ही आप प्रेस करेंगे ना बटन, तो इंटरनली वो क्या करेगा, 2nd बिट और 1st बिट को ऑन कर देगा, ठीक है, और 3rd और 4th बिट को ऑफ कर देगा, ठीक है। तो इस तरह आपका जो है बेसिकली जो एलिवेटर जो है वो बेसिकली जंप कर लेंगे, ठीक हो गया। और इसके अलावा कोई क्वेश्चन इससे रिलेटेड आपको कोई पूछना तो पूछो, नहीं है जी? Okay, so this was basically a small intro related with the register, how register actually works in normal day-to-day appliances, devices, and gadgets, machines, and all that. So we come back towards our main topic. This is, do you want me to repeat this or should I go ahead? How many of you want me to repeat this? 1. Acha, so the rest of you already familiar with this example, the robotic vacuum cleaner. So we move on. Beta, I've already stored a kind of a video related to this vacuum cleaner. Please go through that on LMS. All right, beta. And even then, if you are not able to understand anything, so in our next class, inshallah, you just come to me and then I'll explain it again. If it's not understood, then. All right, so last time we've done that. We move on towards the hexa. We already know and aware of the fact that in hexa it starts from 0 till 9 and then afterwards starts from A till F. Okay. Yes. So now we'll start with the conversions binary to hexa. In order to convert any binary digits or into hexa, what is the step? What are the steps? Number 1, make a 4-bit pair from right to left side. Make a 4-bit pair from right to left side. ठीक है जी, 4 बिट्स के पेयर बनाने आपने राइट से लेफ्ट की तरफ, ठीक है। अब आपने ये बना दिया, देखें ये एक ले लिया 1 2 3 4, ये ले लिया, फिर 1 2 3 4, फिर 1 2 3 4, ये आ गया, ठीक है। फिर इनके ऊपर आपने क्या करना है, पावर्स इंसर्ट करनी है, 1 2 4 8 1 2 4 8, जिस तरह ये है 1 2 4 8 1 2 4 8 1 2 4 8, ठीक है। और जहां आपको वंस नजर आएंगे उन वंस को ऐड अप करना है। अब देखें यहाँ पे 1 है तो 1 को तो ऐड कहीं करना नहीं, तो एज इट इज आपको यहाँ पे प्लेस करना है। सेकंड में देखें यहाँ पे 0 है, इसको छोड़ दें, यहाँ की पावर क्या है 2, यहाँ की पावर क्या 4, यहाँ की पावर क्या 8, तो 2 + 4 6, 6 + 8 14, 14 हेक्सा में रिप्रेजेंट होता है ई से, बिल्कुल सही है, ई आपने लिख दिया यहाँ पे, ठीक है। उसके बाद यहाँ पे आ जाए 1 + 2 3 और 8, 8 और 3 11, 11 रिप्रेजेंट होता है बी से, ओके, तो ये आपने ये BE1, ठीक है। तो अब आपने ये जो है कन्वर्जन जो है वो आप कर लें DEF तक, बस 3 कर लें आप राइट नाउ, हरी अप। हाँ मैं